Hey guys, welcome to Placements Prep. So today in this video we are going to discuss regarding the health insurance policy which was used in MNC company TCS. So I will be covering the important points regarding medibuddy, that is how to use your wallet money and how to open your health insurance portal this is for TCS associates, and which medicine we can avail under cashless, and also how to order those medicines. So TCS provides a domiciliary amount in your medibuddy wallet. For one person it is 6,000, and if you add your parents as a beneficiaries, then you as for per person you will get a 6,000. If you add your parents, you will get overall amount of 18,000. So by using this domiciliary wallet you can buy medicines if you want any, and some medicines will be coming under cashless, and some medicines you can order by uploading your prescription. And these medibuddy wallet domiciliary amount will be crediting into your account in every starting of the financial year, that is on April 1st, and it is going to expire by the end of the March, that is March 31st. For the financial year 21-22, the domiciliary wallet gets expired this month, that is March 31st. And for the financial year 2022 to 2023, it will be credited on 1st of April. So you can order the medicines before 31st of April. And there will be two wallets like domiciliary and hospitalization. For hospitalization, per person you will be having you can claim up to 2 lakh rupees. So for this you need to at least intimate 72 hours before your hospitalization. That means before your checkup, and the main important thing is that the pre-intimation should be compulsory necessary for claiming your amount. And at least that person should be admitted 24 hours in a hospital, so that you will be getting your claimed amount credited into your wallet. And for the domiciliary, no need of intimation before. Directly you can go to hospital, and you can upload those bills in the domiciliary wallet, and then you will be getting your claims credited into your account within 7 to 10 working days. The path to open the health insurance portal is go to Ultimatics homepage. There you can find the applications. Under application, employee services, and under employee services you can find the health insurance portal. So by clicking on that, it will be redirecting into third party website. Please give a checkbox, tick a checkbox and proceed. Then it will be redirecting into the medibuddy. So there you can see all your policy details, and I will be showing some of the cashless medicine which I have ordered, like some of the medicines like body lotions and hand wash, sanitizers, mask, and the medicines like multivitamin tablets. Recently I have also ordered the BP machine, that is blood pressure monitor, and also you can order clinical thermometer, digital thermometer. Now I'll be informing you what are the products we can order under cashless. So here this is the home page of the medibuddy. You can download it from UX apps, or else from Google Play Store. It is available in that. So at the left side top corner you will be able to see 3 dots. So by clicking on that, it will open your all the details regarding your profile. So click on that, and you can see your policy details, and you can also download your health cards, and also you can also check your order status, and you can also check your claim status. So this is the way you have to check all those, and these are some of the claims I have done earlier, and the amount has been also credited to my account. It has been taken nearly 7 to 10 working days to credit that amount. So, and the main important thing is that while uploading your bills, please keep in mind that the prescription should contain the doctor registration number as well as the hospital address clearly in the prescription, and also the hospital's seal, that is stamp. And in pharmacy bills, like your medicine bill, it should contain the GST number or else DL number. Anything is fine. If both are present also, it's so. Hope you understand it very clearly. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment me in the comment section. I will be glad to help you all. And till we meet again, it's bye from me. Stay tuned.